Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Phantom wallet to Palm Fund in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. Open the Phantom wallet app on your device and ensure that your account is set up. Tap the browser icon in the bottom right corner. Type Palm Fund and select it. Tap I am ready to pump. Choose Phantom wallet and click connect. Confirm the connection when prompted. Enter your username and bio. Tap Save to finish. Now your Phantom wallet is successfully connected to Palm Fund. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.